Typecasting implicit versus explicit in Java. Typecasting changes a value from one data type to another, example int to double. Java uses data types to decide if the conversion is safe implicit or needs manual handling explicit. What is typecasting? Typecasting is the process of converting one data type to another data type using the casting operator. When you assign a value from one primitive data type to another type, this is known as typecasting. Why do we need it? You need casting when performing operations between different data types, managing memory, or simply making sure your variables behave the way you want them to. Typecasting is of two types, implicit and explicit. Implicit casting automatically converts a smaller type to a larger type. Explicit casting manually converts a larger type to a smaller type using a cast. Implicit, widening, casting. A lower data type is transformed into a higher one by a process known as widening typecasting. Implicit typecasting and casting down are some names for it. It occurs naturally. Since there is no chance of data loss, it is secure. Widening typecasting occurs when the target type must be larger than the source type. Both data types must be compatible with each other. This is the flow Java follows. You can go from byte to double without a problem, because each type can safely hold the value of the one before it. Explicit, narrowing, casting. The process of downsizing a bigger data type into a smaller one is known as narrowing typecasting. Casting up or explicit typecasting are other names for it. It doesn't just happen by itself. If we don't explicitly do that, a compile time error will occur. Narrowing typecasting is unsafe because data loss might happen due to the lower data type's smaller range of permitted values. Implicit, small to large, syntax, automatic, data loss risk, none. Explicit, large to small, syntax, manual, type, data loss risk, yes. Quick review. Typecasting changes data type. Implicit is safe and automatic. Explicit is manual and risky. Always test narrowing casts. Like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more Java tutorials.